All rise. Support court with Judge Vanderby is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1060, Johnson case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Mr. Johnson, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Just bringing her to court today to try to increase my child support. We have 3 kids together.
2.
Well,
You have a kid, and we have 2.
I forgot she never claimed my other one, so we have 2 kids together. She's a realtor. I'm a school teacher. She makes quite a bit of money.
Ma'am, could you please let him finish before you keep interrupting him?
I
promise you.
Whole relationship
I
is
promise you.
I'm gonna let her finish.
I can promise you I will get to you as soon as I'm done with him, okay?
Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay, no problem.
Just like you could get to whatever
Okay,
you gotta
Your Honor,
do.
I am sorry.
Back to you.
It's okay. Go ahead.
Don't make me upset.
Please don't get upset. Let's focus on the facts and the children.
All right, folks, let's dive into this courtroom drama. The judge calls the session to order, and Mr. Johnson steps forward to present his case. He explains that he's seeking an increase in child support for their 2 children, citing his ex's higher income as a realtor.mr. Johnson, a school teacher making $50,000 a year, accuses her of spending on luxury items like Louis Vuitton bags instead of supporting their children's needs, such as tutoring. The tension is palpable as he emphasizes the struggles their kids face in school. This case is about more than just money. It's about responsibility, priorities, and ensuring the children's well-being. The judge listens carefully, setting the stage for a heated exchange. The courtroom atmosphere is thick with unspoken resentment as both sides prepare for a battle that will test not only their finances, but also their parental integrity. Will logic prevail, or will emotions take center stage? Buckle up. This is about to get intense.
All right, I'm bringing her to court today to try to increase my child support. We have 2 kids together, as I stated before I was interrupted. She makes quite a bit of money. I'm a school teacher. I only make $50,000. Kids are on my insurance.
How much is your insurance?
My insurance is $500 a month.
All right. And it's you and the 3 children on there?
Correct.
Okay.
And I mean, I just need a little help. She helps everybody else, but she doesn't help the kids like she should. The 2 kids that we do have together, struggling in school, they're falling behind. I just feel like the amount of money that she pays for all the luxury stuff she has, the Louis V bag, she should put that money towards tutoring for our children or something. I see her looking at me. She knows everything I'm saying is accurate, so it is what it is.
Okay.
Any assistance I can get is greatly appreciated.
Okay, now you say you want to increase child support.
Yeah.
How much money are you getting right now from her?
$450, and I feel like I don't know how she finessed the system like that to, yes, y'all may need to look into that too.
You so mad that you
The
broke.
PP.
Ooh, ma'am, don't do that. Don't do that.
I didn't tell him to be a little teacher. That was on him.
Listen.
I'm a
I
hustler.
done tell you to
Like,
sell the little houses you sell either.
little houses?
Little houses.
But you taking me to child support court. Oh, okay.
'Cause I need your little, I'm not ashamed to say I need your little money.
Okay, go ahead.
It is what it is.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry.
No, I'm sorry. I got choked up.
I'm sorry too.
Yeah,
Lord.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry that you got your
I'm
little
sorry I ain't
job
got
and you
in-
need my
in a
little
relationship
money.
with you, honestly.
No, I've been told you couldn't handle me. You couldn't handle somebody like me, but you kept at
I
it.
don't want
You knew
to.
who I was.
I didn't get my
You
first
knew
gray hair
who
until I met
was.
you, though.
You knew who I was. You're a whole teacher,
wanna
and you're
forget who
asking
you
for
was.
tutoring for our children.
Yes, that's what they need, don't they? So they can provide
Okay.
their kids with all of this luxury.
Did y'all want me to step out?
Look how fly she is. I had to go to Ross before I came here and buy this little old get up. Look at her.
Did y'all need me to leave while you all finish this?
You gotta leave.
I'm
'cause I need
sorry.
some help.
I'm
I know if
sorry.
you leave, you might not come back. It's a long
You're
day.
absolutely right.
But
I'ma
he's
let
been
you
throwing
finish.
daggers since he got in here. I ain't say nothing to you.
Mr. Johnson lays out his case in detail, explaining the challenges of raising their children, including their academic struggles. He expresses frustration that his ex isn't contributing enough financially despite her higher income as a realtor. The tension rises as she interrupts, leading to a heated exchange between the two. The judge steps in to maintain order, reminding them to focus on the children's needs rather than their personal grievances. This section highlights the emotional and financial stakes, with Mr. Johnson's determination to secure support clashing with his ex's dismissive attitude. He doesn't just argue numbers. He paints a vivid picture of sleepless nights worrying about school fees, tutoring costs, and the emotional toll on their children. The ex's response is sharp, defensive, and borderline condescending, setting the stage for an explosive back and forth. The judge's intervention adds a layer of authority, making it clear that personal drama won't overshadow the real issue. What's best for the kids?
You so mad. It's okay.
I'm gonna hit the mannequin challenge on her right now. Just be quiet.
All right.
Okay. Is there anything further before I move over to her?
Nope.
Okay. Now, ma'am,
Yes.
first off, don't call him a little teacher. That's not nice. Don't do that. That is not nice. He is a teacher.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Don't be sorry.
sorry.
Just don't do it.
Okay.
All right.
I won't do it.
Now, what is it you want me to know?
Your Honor, look, I am just trying to make a living. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't, we all have different paths. He chose to be a teacher. I chose to be a real estate agent. That's all. You know what I'm saying? And I just be getting slack from him because I'm in real estate, you know?
Do y'all
Like,
not get
I do-
along?
No.
Oh, okay.
No.
The
Okay.
truth.
First of all, all this
no,
that she-
excuse me. Wait a minute. Wait a
all
minute.
this that
She
forgot.
said that she was going to give each one of our turns to talk, right?
You
already-
interrupted
You
me
did
the whole
interrupt him a
time.
couple of times, though.
Okay.
I'm just saying, all
he
I'm
was
saying
due to
is
give you
because
one.
Okay.
your ex, the child used to
Okay.
flip houses. He let you keep them, and that's how your business started. So if you gonna keep it 100, keep it all the way 100.
Okay.
Okay.
But what did I do? I used what I had, right?
Not for
to
tutoring.
level up.
Not for
to level
tutoring.
up.
Not
to
for
level
tutoring.
up. To level
Not
up.
for tutoring.
Okay, so you're mad.
I am mad.
Your Honor,
My kids can't spell.
sir.
My son in the 7th grade counting on his fingers. That's
Sir,
embarrassing.
But they live with you. You go to work from 9 to 5.
Well, how about
My
you
schedule
help?
is flexible.
You can
so
help.
with that extra time,
Mr.
what
Johnson.
should you be doing?
Mr. Johnson.
You should be helping our children, right?
Mr.
You
Johnson.
should be helping our children, right?
You said you were going to do the mannequin challenge, right?
Sorry.
So no loud outbursts. Don't be so mad. You're here today for me to help you, right?
Right.
Okay. So you can't get in your feelings and be distracted from what it is that you want.
Catch flights.
Can you
Okay.
Not feelings. Catch flights. Not feelings.
Okay. Now
Don't catch these
Catch
hands.
flights. not
Continue.
feelings. Okay, so Your Honor, basically he's upset because him and I are no longer together.
I'm upset. It's a blessing. It's a blessing in disguise.
That is the real
Don't
you
say I'm
still
upset.
like her?
Yes.
No.
It's okay.
I need the money, the financial
It's okay.
support.
Oh,
You
okay.
can like
He
me.
need the
I don't
money.
even like the
got
houses. I don't even like
history.
the
You
houses
can-
she sell. They fall apart.
It doesn't
Oh.
matter.
They fall
It doesn't
apart.
matter. But you got me here for my money.
Ma'am, are
The
you-
falling apart houses is what's gonna make you money, right?
Ma'am, are you selling lemon homes?
No, ma'am,
Lemon.
I'm not. No, ma'am, I'm not.
They
I am
ain't-
a flipper. Flipper.
Okay.
Flipper.
What is a flipper exactly?
So basically what you do is you purchase a home and you fix it up and you sell it.
Okay. That sounds like a nice little income.
Correct.
Right? How much are you making?
The ex steps in to defend herself, claiming she's a real estate flipper and that her income fluctuates. She accuses Mr. Johnson of being bitter about their breakup and trying to shame her for her success. The judge questions her income, revealing that she makes $150,000 a year and emphasizes that the children's needs come first, regardless of their personal issues. This is the heart of the drama, with the judge's no-nonsense approach and the ex's growing frustration creating a tense and emotional moment. The financial details add clarity to the case, showing how the law prioritizes the children's well-being over the parents' personal conflicts. The courtroom turns into a battlefield of blame as the ex dodges responsibility, shifting the focus to Mr. Johnson's supposed resentment. But the judge isn't swayed. She drills down on the facts, slicing through the emotional smokescreen. The ex's defensiveness only makes things worse, making it clear that avoiding responsibility isn't an option in this courtroom.
I'm making $150,000 a year.
All right.
First of all, the inspector, everybody for these houses, our family members. So they say it looks good.
Oh
People move
my
in.
goodness, really? But what
My
are you
bad.
and the kids stay in? You stay in one of my flipped houses, right? Right.
Y'all stay in the flipper?
Right?
We stay in the flip.
Thank you.
Oh, okay.
So what's the problem?
Okay.
Thank you.
Well, that's not a
I can't
legitimate.
afford the rent, so I gotta stay in the flip.
That's not a legitimate
I gotta stay.
argument
So
then, sir. If
mad.
you're
You
if
so
you and the
mad.
children are staying in the home, you can't try to use it. What you say, throw a dagger? You can't throw a dagger at her
Yes.
if you and the children are living in one of these, as you call it, houses that are falling apart. That doesn't say much about you, does it?
And when we were together, Your Honor, I asked him if he wanted to get on game. He didn't. So now
I don't
he's
want
upset.
to do the
He should've
illegal
taken
business that they
the
do.
opportunity.
Tell them about the fake PPP loans y'all be doing and all that.
Oh, word.
And we gonna,
Word. Is
I
this
figure
what
if
we
I
doing?
can't get child
Is this
support,
what we're doing?
I'm gonna get 100%
Is this
custody.
what we're
Yes, we are.
doing?
all the PPP loans you got, she said
Your
food
Honor,
stamps, Your
I
Honor.
didn't get no PPP loans.
Yes, tell
no,
about
I
the
did
food
not.
stamps she's selling on the side though.
Word.
Tell them about that.
Word.
Yeah.
Then you
Yeah.
just, do I need to bust out the text
Nah,
message?
I know I got some because the kids got to eat. The kids got to eat. So I did.
Okay.
Wait a minute, sir. That's the second time you tried to put shame on her for selling food stamps and, you know, what you call rundown homes or lemon homes. And here it is, you're asking her for the assistance and you're living in one of the houses that she flipped. So what does that say about you?
That he a broke little teacher. That's what it
Okay,
says.
well, this, you know what we're going to do? This is not going anywhere. It's not going to get any better if you all keep going forward. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and order the child support. Now, what he said is true in terms of the child always being with him.
It ain't funny.
It's nothing.
But it's real.
The minute that I flip one house is nothing. That's chump change.
I'm getting ready to flip over this bench if you all don't pay attention to what I'm saying.
I'm sorry.
Okay? So the children live with you primarily?
Yes.
Okay.
In my flipped house.
$150,000 per year.
Correct.
All right. 2 kids. That brings your gross to $12,500. Now, I hope you weren't anticipating receiving all of that $150,000 for, or her child
Honestly,
support to
she
be
can
based
just
on
pay
it.
for the tutoring for the kids. I don't want my kids to be dumb. I want my kids to live the life that she lived.
The judge delivers her ruling. The ex must pay $2,550 per month in child support, including reimbursement for health insurance. She explains the calculations, capping the ex's net resources at $9,200 due to Texas law. The ex protests, claiming her income fluctuates, but the judge isn't having it. She emphasizes that the children's needs come first, and that the ex must fulfill her obligations. That this part delivers the resolution and key takeaway, leaving viewers with a clear understanding of the judge's decision and the importance of supporting one's children. The ex's frustration is evident, but the judge's firm stance reinforces the message that parental responsibility is non-negotiable. The room falls silent as reality sinks in. The numbers don't lie, and the law doesn't bend for personal convenience. While the ex shakes her head in disbelief, Mr. Johnson exhales, finally seeing justice served. This moment is about accountability, about making sure parents step up, no matter their personal grievances.
Traveling and
I
all
want
that.
my children to live the life that I
Don't
live.
pay for them to go to tutoring.
No, how about, Your Honor?
Okay, this is what this is. Hold on.
So you quiet.
Excuse me. This is what we're going to do. Your gross is going to be, of that $150,000, it's going to be $12,500. She's actually capped. So in Texas, her
She said it was capped. Okay.
okay. I don't know what that means,
Like
but
the caps in your mouth.
I'm going to go ahead. Silver caps.
No, he got the white ones. I paid for them silver
Okay.
caps to be removed. Now he got the white ones.
Okay.
Tell Your Honor that.
Well, moving
Tell Your Honor
right
that.
along,
Moving
her
right
net
along.
resources, they come out to $9,200 because she's capped.
Okay.
Based on her income. That brings her child support obligation to $2,300 per month. Reimbursing you for the health insurance that you carry for the children every month is $255, bringing your monthly child support to $2,550.
Okay.
God don't like
no,
ugly.
excuse
God
me.
don't
Wait a
like
minute.
ugly.
I
That's
don't
what you
get
get.
paid monthly.
Oh.
It's according to how my houses are flipped. So if I go a month without flipping a house, what? Why did you do this?
You better
No,
turn some
no,
more
no.
Netflix.
Wait a
You
minute.
better
Wait
talk-
a
you
minute.
better turn some
Excuse me.
Netflix.
I went off what
BG's is
you
fine. You
said.
better go
You
back.
said, Your Honor, I make about $150,000. Did you say that?
I did say that. Your
Right,
Honor. I
right.
did,
You
but-
did say that. So
The cap,
that's what I
the cap.
based
Shut
it
up.
on.
Shut up.
Therefore, that's what your child support amount is going to be, $2,550. So I hope you can flip enough houses to make that flip some more for these children. Is there anything further, ma'am?
Yes, can I just ask a question? As far as
Sure.
the tutoring, what if I take my children to tutoring?
What?
You mean like take them in a car?
Yeah, like if I take them to tutoring, can that reduce that? 'Cause
Yeah, I don't want her around me. No.
I didn't say you.
To
I
answer
said my children.
the-
You said that your concern
Did you
was
ask
them
me
being-
a question or did you ask him the question?
Okay.
Oh, okay. To answer your question, no.
Yes.
It does not. It has no impact on that whatsoever. Transporting your children to tutoring is called parenting.
All right.
Is there anything further?
Can I go?
Oh, sure. As soon as I dismiss you. Is there anything further, sir?
I just want to say,
No.
God has blessed me in ways that I
All
couldn't
right,
imagine.
so now
I
you're going to
just,
bring God in this.
I just appreciate
Ooh,
you
so
for
hypocrite.
understanding
Ooh, you
my
are such a
frustration and my pain.
hypocrite.
And
Well, I didn't make a ruling based on your frustration and your pain. I made a ruling based on what the law said I can do with what's in the best interest of these children.
broke
And if there's
teacher.
nothing further, you both are dismissed.
Me and my little teacher money
Yes,
about
you was
to
a little teacher.
walk out with this $2,000 though.
Now, let's break it down from a legal perspective. The judge explains that in Texas, child support is capped based on income, even if a parent earns significantly more. She emphasizes that the ex's child support obligation was calculated based on the cap, not her full income. The video ends with a call to action, encouraging viewers to share their stories and subscribe for more insights. This case is a powerful reminder of the importance of family responsibility and the legal obligations that come with parenthood, that it's a lesson in accountability and the sacrifices required to ensure children's well-being. The judge's final remarks drive home the message that the law prioritizes the children's needs above all else. This isn't just a court ruling. It's a reality check for anyone trying to evade responsibility. Love, resentment, success, failure. All of it fades away in the eyes of the law. What remains is the undeniable duty of parents to put their children first.